Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Tivimate app, the latest version of that app, always on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, we're doing this in two steps. The first step is that we're going to enable applications to be downloaded and installed from unknown sources, and to enable and install unknown apps. From there, we'll move over to the unlinked application on step 2, where in step 2 we'll download and install the application of choice for this tutorial, which is the Tivimate app on Google TV. So head over to the dashboard with me, and I'm going to move over to quick settings. Under quick settings, I'm going to go to all settings, and we're going to go down to system. So under system, find the about option. As scroll down on that list, you'll find build number or always build. So click on this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see a message telling you that you are now a developer. If that is so, then step 1 is good. Do ensure that you can download and install an application from an unknown source or an unknown app. So exit and get back to the dashboard. And now that you're on the dashboard, just navigate to unlinked. Click to launch the app. If you don't have the app already, I recommend go to the description box of this video and you'll find a tutorial there with a link. So click on that link, watch that tutorial. It's explaining exactly how to get the unlinked app. When you have the app, launch the app by clicking on it, then add the library everything. So EVERYTHING. No spaces or capital letters. Under that, you'll find this list. So navigate down until you find items under category 2, 100% free, and you'll see the Tivimate application right there. So just click on Tivimate and you find the download button. Click on the download button, then you find this install app. So when the download is complete, you find this install app. Click on install app, and it's your first time. You may encounter a message telling you to grant permissions or telling you about unknown sources or downloading from an unknown app. All you need to do there is navigate down to that list and find the app that is unlinked. So click on unlinked to toggle it on. When you toggle that on, you'll be able now to actually download and install apps with unlinked apps from unknown sources, apps which are unknown. So click on install after that, and just give it a couple of seconds for the Tivimate app to install on your Google TV. And just like that, if you head over to your dashboard and scroll up over your app drawer, you find the Tivimate app ready for use. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found that insightful, I want you to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.